Hi, I got this, and I've got a thingy. And since I'm doing videos for YouTube now, every time I got a thingy, it's like it feels right to unbox it in front of the camera, you know. So here we go. Packed pretty well. Now, da 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 dum. Wow, they're small. I've read the reviews saying that they're small, and yeah, they are. A lot of Asian writing on it. So the reason I got this, like 4 reasons maybe. First, it's made in Japan, or at least by a Japanese company. Second, they're probably out of stock, or not produced, or very limitedly produced in Taiwan, I think. Third, they were available and they shipped. And fourth is, yeah, they're kind of Persona fans. Persona fans love these, and I like Persona too. So this isn't going to be a review, because to review stuff you need to be an audiophile. You need to listen to them and have an opinion. I don't care to have an opinion. I just wanted some weird earphones. And when I was some time before, I think, I had other weird earphones, the COS Sporta Pro ones. They had really good quality, but they were tearing my hair out, so I think I left them somewhere, probably at my parents' house. Ooh, we've got rain. So, yeah, it's very Asian. I was probably never supposed to touch this if I hadn't bought it off a scalper on AliExpress. That's nice. What do we have here? Paper in different languages. Look, Japanese is first, so we know it's a real deal. So this is funny. Judging by the pictures, I thought this would be harder, like just the thing to keep them in. I thought it would be a hard case, but no. Okay, I think no more scissors, and yeah. Soothing sound of rain. Unbox it box. How am I going to get them out? Here's the question. Okay, they were just inserted and I can probably pull them out. Maybe. Can I? Yay! I think the rain is terribly loud. But No one gonna watch this anyway, so. But if you're watching, wow, you're special. And I feel special that you're watching me. So the cable. Yeah, that's kinda longer than I thought. That's at least a meter. At least. And the earphones, they are nice, so you can put them like that, and then persona and everything else. This is the right one and it's on the left, so I already fucked up there right at the start. So yeah, looks like you put them over the ear, and then close it up, and it clicks. And then you put another one over the other ear and close it up, and it clicks too. These are not going anywhere. Good engineering. So this thing, I'm sure it can fit like in my pocket. Maybe it's the other version that had the shorter cable, but I won't even need some dangly thing or iPod Shuffle or whatever. Made in Taoyuan. Wait, is that real? Is there such a city? I should Google that, like Taoyuan in Taiwan. That seems like made in Murica, America. I don't know. So yeah, I need something to plug it into. Just a sec. I should have something, a sound source. At least I should check if they work. Be right back. Is this on? Yeah. Old phones to the rescue. Those that still have them. Okay. Something. Just anything. There's music. Definitely something. Yep. It's quite nice. I think I can hear all the rain, and I can also hear the music. I'm not sure. It's good. Okay, these they cost like sub 100 euro, and that's probably half of the price of the scalper, so it's like 50 euro probably if I could buy them where I'm at. And every time I get headphones that are more expensive, I'm impressed by the quality, or maybe it's just the novelty, like I got a new thing, so it's probably very good, it's probably better than I had, so I should be happy and I should like the sound, right? Yeah. Well, as I said, it's not review. I mean, you want to review, you go somewhere else where the audiophiles live. Me, I'm just happy. They're comfortable on my ear, they have a long ass cable which I can put it anywhere. but I should probably be a bit more careful because it's pretty thin. And it's easy to take them off even with long hair and put them on as well. Clicky clicky. Clicky clicky. And I can put them in their small bag. Small branded Audio Technica bag. Do they fit? Yes, they do. And I think I could actually, if I get a standalone player, I could even put it in there without unplugging. Get all the cable, blah blah blah. Cable schmable. Now, this is even a lot of cable. I would be happier with less cable. Less cable is enough. Way more compact than I expected. I mean, on Persona 3, Neku had them like at least this large, I think, covering most of the ear. Okay. Oh well, I'm happy. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna listen some more to these to have an opinion and tell everybody that they need them because they're weird and rare, and there's a chance that these are one of the last ones available. Maybe not. Oh well. Cha-cha. Какие они смешные!